Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog after quite a while. Yes, I had been really busy settling down. As you all know, we have moved to Oman and very happy to be in this beautiful country. I'm getting lots and lots of messages on my Instagram which I'm not able to revert to each one of you every time or at all. I'm not able to finish editing videos on time because of other engagements, organizing the apartment, kids study routine and such. But I make sure I'm a bit active on Instagram to keep in touch with many of you and not to be away from social media. And moreover, I'm doing a fitness challenge which many of you are religiously following. I'm also taking clips here and there so that I can clip together all the shots taken and edit to make a vlog like how it's today. Our cargo had already arrived before we landed in Oman, so it was easy for me to check out what more I will need to shop. I had packed few kitchen items which were extra in my kitchen in Kerala. And what more to purchase? I had to unbox all the cargo boxes and check out. This is one organizer we had extra lying. It's from IKEA. Very useful one to organize dresses. So I put in the cargo because we already had enough in our home in Kerala. Some of you had asked me personally which perfume I used in my last video. It's a new one I have been lately loving. It's from Mamaearth. I have been using their face wash and other products recently. This is something new I'm trying out. To be honest, it has got a really lovely, pleasant fragrance. It comes in a cute bottle and it's easy to carry. The highlight about this is that it's one perfume but has different scents. The unique fragrances are created by the people who wear it because the perfume, when mixed with different skin oils, create a signature fragrance that is soft and pleasant. That's very unique about a product, I can say. The smell lasts for up to 12 hours and it's unisex. Another best part of this perfume is that it's India's first Made Safe certified fragrance. And I have always mentioned about Mamaearth. Every time you buy from them, Mamaearth will link your order on the website to a tree that they plant. By 2025, Mamaearth is aiming to plant 1 million trees as a part of this initiative. Mamaearth has an official app, the iOS and Android links to which are in the description box. App users get early access to the sales and hence get extra discounts. Use my code Shamsheera 2022 to get 20% off, which is valid only on Mamaearth website and Mamaearth app. The perfume is also available in Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart. Don't forget to order Mamaearth perfume by clicking on the link below in the description box. I have few friends here in Muscat who suggested me few shops, and even thank you to each one of you who gave me lots of suggestions for shopping organizers, bins, baskets and such. I had updated the same on my Instagram story. I've already gone to Ramez, Al Bustan, Al Kabail and Real shops. Initial organization will be a rough one always because it gives me an idea to the real organization. I couldn't find much organizers in Ramez compared to the other shops. Many of you had asked me in the comments as well as my Instagram, how easy or how tough is it to adapt to these changes in places? We left or took an exit from Riyadh and went back to Kerala in November 2020. We expected to be back after 3 to 4 months. But coronavirus spread massively again and the second phase hit India very badly. Didn't know what's next. It was almost locked down in Kerala for 3 months. Flights were cancelled and our return to Middle East was a big question. But in fact, it was a blessing for us having a complete break in our home which we built even a year back. I had my best time in my YouTube career, creating beautiful videos for you all, which included the beauty of our homeland. We went many trips, of which few again were as a part of YouTube and even otherwise. And these trips wouldn't happen if we were still abroad. Because traveling within India, though it's in our bucket list, never happened because vacations are very tight. We come home for a month and that again will be packed with other engagements. We traveled many places in Kerala, and this time we could also visit Delhi, Mumbai, Goa and the most beautiful Lakshadweep, which we would anyway not think during vacations. The most I was missing in the creative side of my videos was of organizing, reorganizing, room makeovers, crafts and such. Our home is beautifully designed now by our designer, and I didn't want to fit extra craft works or other, looking it congested. I couldn't do any reorganizing or makeovers because most of our furnitures are inbuilt. The only very few changes I could make is for the kitchen. And the sister who helps me gets confused when I change the places. As she was most of the time in the kitchen, I didn't want her to feel uneasy to manage. Hence didn't even do that in the kitchen much. Maintaining a big home is entirely tiring than maintaining an apartment without a helping hand. I understood that when my husband was COVID positive and I had to do everything all alone, which I used to do easily when we were in Riyadh. Ever since we had flew to Kerala, within 2 weeks I had the sister coming home to clean and cook. And it was such a relief. And now I'm back in my schedule in an apartment in Oman. I unboxed all the cargo boxes and kept all the items in the specific room so it's easy to start organizing, or else I'll have tough time running here and there. These little pieces of magnets has lots of memories in it. I get reminded of the place where they came from, the time we spent there and such. Of all the trips till now, my most memorable one is no doubt Switzerland that I spent with my sister-in-law Nesri. This trip was not just a visit to the place. It made me realize the importance of oneself, and I'm always thankful to my husband for giving me a push to go on ladies' trip. He would also be happy if it was a solo trip. He knows the importance of the space one needs, and I learned that from this trip. These are some pretty plates I bought from Rames. Here they call the shop Rames, but I have always known it in the name of Rameez in Qatar and Dubai. I really miss my onion stand. Time being and to save some space, I bought this one. As I said earlier, I got bins and baskets later, so I utilized this box to put in the clips. The kitchen is not fully organized, nor are the bedrooms and other areas. I have already changed places, and that's what I said in the beginning. Before the real organization, a rough one will be given, and those are what you have seen in today's video. Hope you enjoyed watching it. If so, please give a thumbs up so that I know. More vlogs coming up, and I shall try to upload soon. Thank you so much to each one of you for your love and support. Take care everyone. Stay safe. Bye-bye.